When your QuickBooks server crashes during payroll week and hackers have already wiped your restore points, a simple backup isn't enough. Attackers know where to look. 93% of attacks target backups, and 68% succeed in destroying critical data. As Charles Bender says, trust is earned by consistent, verifiable recovery testing, not just promises from a vendor. Relying on set-and-forget backup strategies is wishful thinking, not real risk management. Many believe cloud storage means safety, but 60% of all stored data is in the cloud, while 10% still relies on tape, leaving modern and legacy blind spots. Default retention settings only keep versions for about 30 days, yet ransomware can wait longer. Storing backups on primary disks is common, but 65% do this without security features, exposing critical files. Even worse, 57% of attempts to compromise backups are successful, and over 50% of SaaS users admit their data isn't fully backed up or easily recoverable. Backup Day reveals that default cloud retention is a timer, not a safety net. When project files erased months ago vanish, it's more than lost work. It's a direct hit to compliance and client trust. You can read the full article on the Attentis Tech website and add this to your Spotify playlist.